Okay, so problem 3.2, number 46. You're in a car. Your car's here at point A. I can't draw, so I'll just draw something that tries to make it look like a car. You're traveling at 30 miles per hour, but I'm going to use this figure. They actually went ahead and gave us the conversion. It's 44 feet per second. And the thing about it is you're trying to make it through the light, right? And they want to know how far you can be from the intersection to get through it before the light turns red. So here's the thing. You know that distance is equal to speed, or the rate, which is speed, times time. Okay. So now you've got the distance of x to go plus 60 feet. So your distance x plus 60, you have to clear that before the light turns red. Okay. So if you don't change your speed, how far are you going to go? Well, you're going 44 feet per second, and let's see, the signal stays yellow for 3 seconds. So let's say you got 3 seconds to get through that because the signal's starting to turn yellow or something. If you multiply that out, you get 132. No, 132 feet. Okay. So whatever this x plus 60 is that you've got to travel, you've got to do it within 132 feet because the light turns yellow at 132 feet. I really didn't end up using this formula at all. So how far out could you be and still make that x plus 60? And okay, so let's solve it for x. Subtract 60, okay, and you get 72. You can be 72 feet out and still make it 72 feet out from the intersection, basically. Okay, so if I'm trying to clear that intersection and that light turns yellow, I could be as far as 72 feet before the intersection and still make it. So you're just thinking if the whole thing is x plus 60, whole thing's x plus 60, and my light turns yellow, it gets 3 seconds when it turns yellow, which was given in the problem, and I multiply that by the speed I'm going, that's the time, the speed times the time. Actually, we did use that. This is the distance, this is the speed, this is the time. We did use that. That means I got 132 feet before the light turns yellow, so that whole thing, x plus 60, is equal to 132 feet. That would be the drop dead time when I would get through it and the light would turn red. So if I set that x plus 60 equal to that, a whole 132, that tells me I could be 72 feet out and make it at the last second.